Welcome to this Sacral Chakra meditation. Together, we will gently balance and restore your Sacral Chakra, allowing it to resonate at its highest frequency. Start by sitting comfortably and close your eyes. We'll begin the grounding sequence by taking 3 deep breaths on the count of 3. But I want you to fill your lungs to their maximum capacity and then exhale, feeling all the tension being expelled from your body. 1, 2, 3. And inhale, then exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. I want you to imagine that there's a heavy anchor hanging from the soles of your feet. Allow the force of gravity to pull you down as it stretches deep into the Earth's core. As the anchor descends, your body should begin to feel extremely heavy and grounded. Don't worry if you have trouble visualizing. Just repeat the intention and rest assured that your mind and body will obey the command. Your higher self knows exactly where to direct the energy. Once the anchor has reached the center of the earth, I want you to start pulling all of the earth's energy upwards, increment by increment, until it reaches the soles of your feet. You may feel a tingly sensation or a pressure bubbling beneath the ground. As the momentum builds, continue to pull the energy upwards from your feet, then slowly past your ankles, traveling up past your calves until it reaches your knees. Take a moment to acknowledge the heaviness in your body. But even if you don't feel anything at this stage, it's perfectly okay. Just trust that the process is working. Now, with each breath that you take, pull the energy up higher, along your thighs, to the base of your spine, then slowly along your spinal column until it rests 2 inches below your navel and just inside your pelvis. This is the location of your sacral chakra. Allow the energy to surge into this area. Continue to concentrate on your breath. Inhale and exhale. Now, Whenever you hear the word inhale, I want you to imagine that you're breathing in the color orange through your nose and exhaling the color black through your mouth. Every time you exhale, I will guide you to release a negative emotion that is causing the sacral chakra to become unbalanced. These are the emotions and behaviors that are associated with this chakra. Orange is the color that represents the sacral chakra, and black will symbolize all of the negativity that you need to release. When you're ready, take a deep breath and inhale the color orange. Feel the rush of energy as it fills your pelvis. And exhale the color black, releasing any feelings of guilt or shame. Imagine these emotions being extracted from your cells and being released into a big plume of black smoke. Inhale the color orange and exhale the color black, releasing any feelings of low self-esteem. Inhale the color orange, then exhale the color black, removing all blockages surrounding your work, career, and finances. Inhale the color orange. Feel the sacral chakra being cleansed and restored with each breath. Exhale the color black, releasing any lack of motivation that is keeping you stuck. Inhale the color orange, raising your vibration with each breath that you take. Then exhale the color black, dissolving all blockages that have stopped your creativity. Inhale the color orange and exhale the color black, releasing any blockages that are hindering your relationships and sexuality. Inhale the color orange. Your sacral chakra is growing brighter with each breath, iridescent and glowing. And exhale the color black, releasing any inability to set good boundaries. Do you sometimes find it difficult to say no to people? Or do people sometimes take advantage of your good nature? Or maybe you make demands on others, not recognizing when you've asked for too much. Inhale the color orange and exhale the color black, releasing any feelings of jealousy? Do you celebrate others whenever they succeed? Or do you harbor feelings of resentment, feeling left behind or inadequate? Inhale the color orange, cleansing the sacral chakra with every breath. Then exhale the color black, releasing any manipulative behavior. Do you feel the need to control situations or people, always steering events to fit your agenda? Inhale the color orange and exhale the color black, releasing all emotional instability. Are you in control of your emotions? Do you get upset easily? Are you overly sensitive and quick to take offense? And again, inhale the color orange. Feel it cleansing and restoring the sacral chakra. Exhale the color black, releasing any addictive behavior or obsessions. Even if you think these emotions do not belong to you, we can still harbor these feelings in very small doses throughout our lives. One last time, inhale the color orange and know that you have successfully raised the frequency of your sacral chakra to 417 Hz. Your sacral chakra is now in perfect balance and perfect harmony. Repeat after me. I feel confident. I feel motivated. I feel inspired. I feel passion. I feel creative. I feel emotionally balanced. I feel confident in my own skin. Now, as we close, I want you to surround yourself in protection. Imagine a big cloak or a blanket covering you from head to foot. Pull it tightly around your body. Make sure there are no holes or air pockets. No negative energies can penetrate your aura. No harm can come to you. Start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Feel yourself back in your body and back in your environment, feeling energized and awake. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes.